Welcome back to NoSaltBP. February is Heart Healthy Month. It is very important that you know your numbers, starting with your blood pressure, your triglycerides, your cholesterol levels, your ejection fraction. These are numbers that are essentially important before you change your diet or begin an exercise program. And so today, I will be creating a heart-healthy meal. So let's get started, shall we? We're going to begin with some butter. It is unsalted from Trader Joe's. Place a tad bit of Cajun seasoning in here from my own ingredients. That is nice and brown and sizzling. Toss in some olive oil. Next, we're going to place in some cabbage. This will be our Cajun cabbage. And you want to turn it and toss it so that all the seasonings are mixed in. And by the way, cabbage carries a heavy amount of water. Next up, olive oil. And let that heat up a little bit. And if you notice, our Cajun cabbage is becoming mixed in. We don't want to steam it because it's cabbage and the water will just evaporate. So we don't want to do that. You notice? See how nice and sauteed the cabbage becomes with the Cajun seasoning, the butter, and the olive oil. It becomes nice and soft. We just want it nice and soft. Not crunchy, however, not wilty. And this, of course, is our red snapper. We use our griddle iron. It has been coated with Cajun seasoning as well. Put that over there. Close shot of our Cajun cabbage again. And it is beautifully prepared. Red snapper was prepared with ground black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, all from Trader Joe's. And in addition, you can get it cheaper from Big Lots or your Dollar Tree stores. Sprinkle in a little bit more. And you don't want it to cook all the way through the middle. This is our red snapper. Back to the Cajun cabbage. It is complete, just the way we want it. So we're going to turn this off. Cover it up. We want our red snapper low and slow. And while this is being prepared or cooking, we're going to do the following. Fresh chopped basil. Fresh strawberries, and I'm going to drain these a little bit. So we have our basil, strawberries, fresh tomato, and we want something very sweet on here, so we're going to add some apple. Toss this up. Add some apple cider vinegar and olive oil. Place this into the mix. This is a very refreshing, delectable salad. And this is feta complete. So, now we're going to begin to plate it. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And here's our completed meal. It is the Cajun seared red snapper, the Cajun cabbage, along with the tomato, strawberry, and apple and basil salsa. I thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I realize you had many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt and we count carbs. And remember, most important, you can't know what you can't measure. So guys, please, get your blood pressure measured. Make sure, if you're over the age of 35, according to your doctor's instructions, get a treadmill stress test, get an echocardiogram, know your cholesterol levels, and also know your triglyceride levels. So having said that, I wish you the best, and I will see you soon. Good night.